Tiger crossing. We're finally open. So here we are on Tiger Rock. We needed that after this very hot day, so glad it's finally open. Never usually want to get soaked on a water ride, but we do today. Oh, that's refreshing, that's refreshing. That's what we needed. Oh, spooky. Tiger? Is it Lion Rock? No. Used to be called Dragon Falls. Croc drop over there. Are you ready?
No.
Please keep arms and legs inside the boat at all times. Please keep arms and legs inside the boat at all times.
Oh, got a wet bum. Oh my god, I got a wet bum. They used to, when it was Dragon's Falls, they had an elephant here that sprayed water at you. They need to bring something like that back. There's still a little dragon there.